Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first www.gigabyte.com. After that click on this search button. Just enter the model number of motherboard, then enter the model number TRX40 AORUS, then master, then hit enter. Now this is your motherboard is searching with driver. Then click on the product. Now this is your motherboard. Your so you can see there are no two motherboard 1.1 and 1.0. So all both operatings is motherboard installations process same, driver installations process same. Just click on it to any, then click on support. Then select your operating system which is required Windows 10 11. So all the installations process same. You just click to download. Okay, so guys, first download, after that I show you how to installations. So this is audio driver. You can see first audio driver, click to download. It will start downloading. After click to download, then chipset, so extract it, AMD chipset driver, and click to download. And if LAN and Wi-Fi and other driver is not getting, you just select Windows 10. After that you can see this is LAN driver. You can install this one and this one all in one. And this is BT means Bluetooth driver, and WLAN means Wi-Fi driver. So click on extract. After that this is Bluetooth driver, this is Wi-Fi driver, and click to download and download. Okay, if it is there in Windows 11, so no worry, you just install this one. Then you click on these icons. After that open where it is downloading, which locations you can see. Then it is completed, then show you how to install. So this is your driver. Okay, so one by one just extract first. So right click and show more, extract all. Okay, and same locations. If you have two other locations, so you can browse and change it, otherwise you just click to extract. It is completed. So after complete it will open, so just close it. Then LAN driver, so right click, show more, and click on extract all. Then same location, same close. Then chipset driver, extract all, same location. So one by one extract the all. Then last Realtek audio. Okay, this is extracted. So this 5 data is extracted. So first open one, just select the right click, run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to your system. So you can see this is Intel SD graphic driver. So might be it will take some time to install. Okay, because this is heavy file, heavy driver. So wait few seconds and will automatically close it. So means this is installed and then close it. Again go to this folder. So this one completed. Then this LAN driver. Then LAN driver. Open one by one, download and just open and double click and then click on yes. Now you can see this is first extract. Real Ethernet control device. Then next. Now this is installing driver. And then okay. And then finish it. Then back. Then serial means chipset driver. So find out setup. Just right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. Then finish next to install. Okay. This is INF update. So this is also for same for chipset. So just this is setup chipset. Just right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. Then next, accept, installed. And then okay. Then last one. And this is pending, graphic card pending. So graphic card, just select right click and run as administrator. Okay. Now you can see this is installing. And it is closed, then done. So you can guys one by one install, find out setup. So this is setup exe, right click, then run as administrator, and then yes. Now you can see this is installing. Then next. and no, and finish. After you install the all driver, after that restart your system.